Hello kids, now we are in our block 2. So previously I had seen a paragraph and I asked you to write a paragraph. Okay, so try to write a paragraph describing your best friend. You want to write a paragraph describing your best friend using the adjective. So you try to use many adjectives and everything and try to complete your paragraph. So basing on this, you can check your volume and you can try to correct your things. Means in that you want to use your adjectives properly, you want to use the capital letters, full stop and everything. So basing on this, your volume S4 is there. Let us check your... So in your second block, you want to complete most of your classwork. So till S3 we completed in the volume, but coming to your S4, whatever you did in your classwork, whatever you completed in your classwork, basing on that we can let us discuss. Okay, so let us discuss and write a paragraph, then we can go for the comparison. Children, now open your textbook page number 17 and see the first question. Look at the pictures and circle the correct adjectives. Can you see the first one? A. See the first picture, A picture. Can you see a girl? Check whether she is slim, weak or muscular. So basing on that, you circle the answer. See the picture B and the options for B. Fat, thin, strong. According to the picture, circle the answer. Now see the picture C and options in C. Happy, sad, calm. So according to that, whatever is the correct answer, just circle it. Now see your second question. Fill in the blanks with adjectives from the box. Can you see the box? Yes. Rude, correct, clever, unfriendly, sweet, obedient. Rude, a person who speaks very carelessly and without politeness, we can say it is rude. Correct, every time giving correct answer or doing correct things, we say he is correct. Clever, a person regularly who does very good in her studies or thinking and tackling the things, then we can say she is or he is clever. Unfriendly, those who are not friendly with others, we say they are unfriendly. Sweet, sweet in the sense adjectives we use with the speech, whether they are talking sweetly, singing sweetly, in this sense we use sweet. Obedient, the person who obeys others, we call he is obedient. So basing on this, you complete your A, B, C, D and E in your page number 17. Now open your page number 18 and see the third question. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives from the help box. You can see the picture. By seeing the picture, what adjective we must use, you must get an idea regarding that. So basing on that, you can complete your options A, B, C and D, E questions in page number 18 and 19. See the first question. My brother's room is very dash. So what do we use for a room? Check it properly and use that word in this sentence. A dash road leads to my house. If you observe the road, how is the road and what type of road it is? Basing that, you want to complete your answer. Now check your question C. It's a dash street. What type of street it is? You can find the answer there. So which suits that one, you can use it. Now D. The girl has dash and dash hair. Coming to hair, what do we use for hair? What type of hair she is having? Basing on that, you complete the two adjectives in that two blanks. Okay. Now see the page number 19. Now see the bit E. She looks so dash because the man next to her is dash. Now comparing two persons, so according to that, what options do you have? Basing on that, check how the person is there, the man is there next to that girl. Basing on that, you complete that adjectives. Now see the fourth question. Describe both the characters in the picture using the words from the help box. You can see two girls in the picture. According to their face expressions and everything, you can observe and try to make sentences using the adjectives. Give some names to the persons, to the girls in the picture, and try to explain and describe the girls using the adjectives given in the box. Now see the fifth question. Choose your favorite character from a story or movie. Fill out a T-chart with any 4 actions that tell about what he or she is like and what it shows about him or her. Children, here you take a character, whatever movie you like, from that you take one character according to the actions of the character. Normally, previously we explained about the actions done by Mala. Here you take the actions of a character from a movie and what can you guess about him? What type of character is he? Write his actions and what type of character. So draw a box. One side you write the actions, the other side you write the character of that person. So take 2 columns and 5 rows with headings so that you can complete your T-chart. Now see your sixth question. Fill out an appearance chart for your favorite character from the story or movie. So here we are doing the appearance chart. Action chart is regarding the action appearance. According her personality, her hair, eyes, nose and everything. So here we are going to explain the dress or the hair and the eyes. Means we are just explaining the appearance, how they are looking. Basing on that, we can write the character, whether they are short, tall, fat, thin, having curly hair or something like that. You just explain only the appearance of that character from the story or movie. Now take your volume and complete it. Children, see the page number 19 in your volume S4. So whatever you had written now, a paragraph containing the appearance chart of your favorite character. Basing on the sixth question, you check your book, your paragraph and complete the volume. In your volume, they asked to check your friend's book. But here, since it is not possible for us staying at home, you check your notebook. Whether you had written properly, taking the character name, having full stops and commas, wherever required, using the capital letters, and also the adjectives you used. If yes, what type of adjectives? So basing on this, take your volume and complete it by checking the paragraph you have written in the notebook. Okay.